Hey guys, Rotator coming at you again. I wanted to show you something a little different. This is my beefsteak tomato plant. Look at that bad boy. And this is my Sweet 50 cherry tomato plant. And I preach the same thing about all my plants. It doesn't have to be expensive. I've seen people pay $12, $15 for a tomato plant. Take my advice, don't do that. The larger the plant is that you're purchasing, the better chances it's root bound and stunted. So get yourself good soil, a good location, daily rotation, and rainwater. That's it. Most of the things I use to grow these plants like this are free. You gotta have good amended soil, good genetics, a good location, and that's about it. And buy a small plant for 99 cents because the chances of it being root bound aren't as near as good. So put in a little tyke in a large container and let Mother Nature do the rest. This is what we're looking at. First day of July. What do you think? Back out.